Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. As you can probably tell, this is a little bit of a different setting and it's because I am at my desk. I want to do a quick first impression / review of these, which are the Viviva, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, color sheets. And basically what they are is these watercolor little tiles that are on paper, which make these very easy to carry. I saw this online months and months ago. It was an Indiegogo campaign and I was very curious as to how it would work, and I saw a couple of reviews that were raving about the pigments, so I thought I would pitch in and give it a try. So here I am today to try this with you. I'm very curious to see how this performs. It's supposed to be great for traveling, obviously, since it's super compact and has quite a wide range of colors if you look at this. I'm also curious to see if the colors that are here are actually like close to what you get once you put water. So the reason I have this little like wooden case is because I paid a little bit extra for the deluxe packet or something like that. Honestly, I came a little bit late to the Indiegogo fundraising for this, so that was all that was left, and it came with this little booklet with the watercolors, this little case, and this brush here, which is from the Japanese brand Kuretake, very well-known brand that does a lot of like brush pens. So I'm actually gonna remove the case so it's easier to handle here. I really love the little pattern. I think it's very cute. Made in India, which is I believe where the girl that launched the Indiegogo was from. A little bit of social media here, and it comes also at the back with this like little extra piece that you're supposed to remove the sticky and put it here like this, and it's basically your mixing panel if you want to mix colors, and you have another one of these little kind of like wax papers to prevent the colors to transfer from one side to the other. I can already see, I don't know if the camera is picking this up, I can already see that some of these, see my hands, are really pigmented, and clearly, yeah, you want to be careful. This is gonna be very interesting. So this is not coming off easily. We'll see once I'm done shooting the video if this is staying for a while. Without further ado though, let's give this a try and see how this actually looks. So I'm not gonna do anything fancy. I'm just gonna be doing swatches on this piece of hot press watercolor paper. Hot press means that it's very smooth, which is the difference between the cold press and the hot press. The cold press has a lot more like texture and grain, whereas I think they call that tooth, and the hot press is a lot smoother. So this is hot press paper, and I'm gonna be just doing little swatches on this paper to see how the colors are. So right off the bat, you can already tell that it's picking up a lot of color. This is actually very impressive how pigmented this is. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the water. It's like, it's neon. It's just kind of crazy. So, first impression, really pigmented. Clearly also don't trust the color on the piece of paper. Very, very, very different from the actual color. Now here's where I'm a little bit worried, and it's like once I'm done using these two, this wax paper here is gonna keep it from transferring to the other side, but that means that it's also gonna get on the wax paper, and I'm wondering, like, long term, how that kind of like, you know, how it ages. Very, very bright, vivid colors, which is kind of amazing when you think about the fact that they're just on a piece of paper. These are beautiful colors. Let's see the ochre, because this is a very useful color for so many different things. It's not bad at all. The magenta is the one that I have all over. So this is a black. It's not fully black. It has a little bit, I would say, kind of purple bluish hue to it. And that's it. This is all the colors. My first impression is I'm very impressed. This is astonishing, the amount of pigment and how bright the colors are for coming from like a little booklet like this. And I am curious to see how this holds the test of time as I use it more. How, you know, it holds up if I travel with it, and if I do travel with it, I will definitely do a quick video about it. But yeah, I'm very curious to see, you know, the durability of something like this, because as you can tell, this is very wet. It's definitely transferred over the wax paper. I feel like it could very easily kind of overlap and get into the next page. So that was my first impressions on the Viviva Colorsheets. Again, keep in mind if you're using these that they're very pigmented and the pigment gets all over the place, so don't wear clothes that you care about, or protect the surface that you're using unless you're okay staining it, because yeah, my hands are gonna be pink, I think, for a few days. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!